Yo, what's up guys, my name's Laser. If you want to learn how to make a logo like this in your for your YouTube channel, then stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so once you've got Photoshop open, you want to go to File, New. Okay guys, so you want to make the width 500, height 500, and you're basically trying to copy all my settings I got there. And after you've done that, you want to hit Save Preset, and you can call it what you want. Just tickle that, name it whatever you want, and press OK. And I've already saved it, so I'm just going to press OK. So this is basically where we're going to put our logo. Okay guys, for a background, I like to use all these that I've got right here. So we've got all these different like backgrounds. So yeah, you just want to pick whatever background you want, really. So I'm just going to place them in. You can make a new layer and just place a couple more in. Just, press enter to place, make another layer. Just place, basically guys, just place a couple of different grunges and backgrounds in. Okay guys, so I just wanted to show you how I got these backgrounds. If you just go in Google Images, just type in abstract background, and here you go. This is the one I've got. There's loads of different ones on here that you can use for your own logo, and you can also get stock packs. I'll leave links in the description to everything I talk about in this video. So the next one is grunge. You get all these different grunge backgrounds as well. And yeah, so once you've got all the backgrounds into Photoshop, let's just work with the bottom background for now. You just want to press Ctrl and T to resize. Make sure you're on that layer, Ctrl T, and hold Shift. Always hold Shift when you're resizing stuff, because it maintains the aspect ratio so it doesn't stretch your photo in a weird way. You just want to have it how you want it, so like resize it about there. That looks good. And yeah, so and now you want to get your other abstract background, and you can rotate and all that stuff as well. So you just want to Control T on that, resize, and I'll show you something really cool you can do here guys. So you see, you can't see here's the background, but we've put this one over it. So what you can do is you can come over here, I'll zoom it in for you guys. You can come over here to where it says normal, you can and you can just left click on it, and you can just choose different ones guys, and it'll basically overlay. You can overlay it so it mixes them together basically. See, you can do all different cool ones. That's pretty cool. Some don't look that good, but some look really cool. Okay guys, I think we're gonna go with this one. This one's called Pin Light. And then also you can add like grunge over it as well, so Control T to resize. Add that over, and you might be able to overlay it onto it. Sometimes it doesn't look that good, so just play around until you find one. Okay guys, so the grunge didn't look that good, so this is fine for now. So all you want to do guys is just come over to the right hand side over here where I've got my mouse. I'll zoom it in for you guys, and you want to go to levels. So you want to click on levels, and you can move these bars. If you see these 3 bars right here, 1, 2 and 3, you can move them around a bit, and as you can see, if you move it, this one controls the brightness, so you can have it dark or you can have it really bright. The middle one, or the left one, controls the contrast. See, so you can add a bit of contrast onto that. Add a bit of brightness. Maybe pull it back a bit. Move the middle one to get it how you want it. Okay guys, the next thing I want to show you is vibrance. So you can adjust the vibrance, and you can also do the saturation. So if you want your picture to be a bit more saturated, a bit more colourful. Okay guys, so the next thing we want to do is hue and saturation. Now this is where you'll be able to change the colour of your logo to whatever colour you want, really, to whatever set of colours. See, you can have all different types right here, which is pretty cool. So I think we're going to go with like a nice little mix of colours like there. And okay guys, so if you don't like bits of the logo, you can also get rid of it. So if you go on the layer where the bits you don't like and you want to erase, get your eraser, make sure you rasterize, and you want to just get a soft, you make it soft, and then you can just rub bits out. You know what I mean? There you go. If you want bits rubbed out, you can do that. You know, just make sure it looks even. There we go. You can just rub bits out like that. So that looks a bit better now. So now we're ready for the text. So this is just gonna be a simple logo, guys. Just a simple logo to get you up and running, really. So we're gonna be using the font American Captain. You can find that on dafont.com. So yeah, I'll leave links in the description to everything I talk about, guys. So yeah, you just want to make a new layer, and you just want to select the color what you want to use. So I think we can all look good. Maybe a blue. So say if your YouTube channel was going to be called, for example, Zilla, you just put a Z. Or say if it's going to be called, like, I don't know, like Dark Matter, that'd be like DM. You know, all different styles. I'm just going to do Z for now, guys. So once you've got the Z, you want to make sure it's all centered. So you want to make sure you're on the Z layer. Then you want to get the little move tool top left, and you want to press Control and A. And then if you see up the top here, that one will get it in the middle, and then that one will get it like horizontally in the middle like that. So now it's right in the center, guys. So what you want to do now is press Control D to deselect. And now we can get onto the blending options, guys. So to get into the blending options, you just want to double click on the Z layer. You can have a double click like that to get into blending options, or you can right click blending options right there. So we can add a stroke, which means like an outline. You can change the size of that to whatever you want. I like that. I like 7 for now. We can also add a drop shadow. See, and that's what drop shadow does. It just makes a shadow behind the text. And you can also add distance to make it like, so there's another layer like that. So yeah, guys. So just make sure you copy all my settings. Like on this I got multiply. If you had it on normal it'd be different, you know. But just play around with it, guys. It's all up to you guys. So I think I'm going to do a drop shadow like that. You can also add outer glow. So if you want to copy my settings again, these are my outer glow settings, and then all you have to do is change the size of it to get your text to glow like that. I'm not going to be doing that. I'm just going to have a shadow. Get a nice shadow going. You can change the opacity as well. And then you can change it to normal or multiply, whatever you guys want. You can also add like this weird looking like 3D thing. Sometimes that can look cool. Like that looks alright right now. That looks decent. You can also add textures. Like I honestly think I'm going to keep that. So now you've got your text. You want to press Control T again. Get that tool, Control T. And you hold shift and you can make it a bit bigger, and then press Control A again and just recenter it using the things like that. There we go. Okay, so now guys, what we want to do is drag our layer under, and as you can see it will change the color, which is pretty cool if you wanted to do that. So yeah, so now we're going to just do like a little, you can either do like a box or a circle. Today I think we're going to do like a circle around our text. By no means, guys, am I saying I'm an expert at doing logos. This is just a quick, simple tutorial how to get a logo out there. If you're just starting out, you know, maybe if you need a little simple logo just to get you by until you can make an advanced logo. If you guys want an advanced logo tutorial, let me know, guys, down below. Alright, so now you've got it's called the Eclipse tool. Now you've got that. You select what color you want, and you can draw basically. So make sure you make a new layer, and you can draw like a circle like that, the way you think it's going to go. Drag it below. Make sure you center the circle by pressing Control A and using them up there. And now guys, you might be like, well, it's black, like I just want the outline. So if you just want the outline, guys, you can either go and do take away the fill, or I just find it this way easier. say if you wanted like a blue circle around your text, you add a stroke to the circle, you add a color to the stroke, that could be a color right there. So yeah, as you can see, you got blue outline right now. You can make that a bit bigger if you wanted, and then you just go to the layer with the black circle and you just go into fill, get rid of fill, and that's all you have to do, guys. And now you've got a nice little ring around your outline. And you can also, as well, if you right click on here, go to copy layer style and then paste layer style to here, as you can see, and go to the fill. It makes it pretty cool because it adds a lot of shadow, makes it look all awesome. So yeah guys, that's basically it. Yeah, that's all I've got really. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe. Also check me out on Twitter. My name is 420zilla, at 420zilla on Twitter. I'll leave links to everything, guys, in the description. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments. And yeah guys, if you have any suggestions for future videos, also leave them in the comments. And yeah guys, that's been it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.